Good morning, students. So, children, yesterday we have done lesson number 5 in moral science. That is well done, class 1. But now, today, we are going to do lesson number 6, and that is the ant and the dove. Children, tell me one thing. Do you know what is kindness? Let me tell you what is kindness. When you do something to help someone, that is called kindness. If you help somebody, okay, some needy person, it means you are kind towards that person. You are showing your kindness. It is a virtue or quality that helps us to live peacefully. Have you ever been kind to someone? Or has anyone else kind of you? Now come to the story to find out more about kindness. Once there was an ant. Do you know, children? An ant, a very small creature, but very active, laborious, hardworking, as we have seen in the story called Ant and the Grasshopper in Moral Science. Ant was walking on a hot sunny day. It was a hot sunny day. It felt very thirsty. Okay, we are coming in the sun. Okay, it is very hot, the weather is hot. What will happen? We are coming from a long distance, so we too will feel thirsty. In the same manner, ant also felt very thirsty and wanted to drink water. But now, where is the water? Suddenly it saw the river and decided to drink water from it. The area near the river was very slippery. Oh, my ant is feeling thirsty. On the other side, area is very slippery. Now I can. Still, the ant went forward to drink water. What happened after that? It slipped and fell into the river. Poor ant, feeling thirsty, tried to drink water from the river. The area was very slippery. So the ant slipped and fell into the river and then cried for help. Now, children, we'll see tomorrow what happened. Somebody comes to help the ant or not. Okay, this we're going to see tomorrow. And tomorrow again we're going to continue the same lesson. Okay, now children, only this much for today. Now let's come to exercise. So children, this is your exercise. I have given only 2 questions, A and B, and in each question I have given only 2 parts. Okay, so first is A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the ant was dash on a hot sunny day. The ant was walking. How do we spell walking? W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Now this is number 2. The ant dashed and fell into the river. So what will come in the blank? Slipped. The ant slipped. S-L-I-P-P-E-D. Slipped and fell into the river. Now come to B. Take the right answer. In this, number 1, the ant or dove felt thirsty. Who felt thirsty? Dove or ant? Yes, it is ant. So you have to take ant. 2. The ant fell into the pond or river. So out of the 2, it was river where the ant fell. So you will going to take river. So children, this was the exercise for you to do in moral science copy. Okay children, now tomorrow again we will meet and tomorrow we're going to continue the same lesson, the second part of this lesson. Till then, goodbye children, take care.